Now that we finished the arrangement of the track, we can move on to the mastering. As you can see, I left almost 6 dBs of headroom. I will export the track in 24-bit. I will import the track into a new project. I will adjust the BPM. I will first add a limiter. And then before the limiter, I will add a compressor. The compressor already has a mastering patch, but I will change the settings a bit. I don't want the compressor working too hard. I will also turn down the ratio. I will now push the gain on the compressor until I hit around -10 dB on the limiter. Also add the EQ. I will add some air by boosting the high frequencies with a high shelf filter. I'm not liking this frequency. If you're mastering your own track, I would suggest you go back to the mix down and fix the problem there. But if you don't have that option, you can do it like this. But be careful, because you're not just cutting the frequency from that one sound, you're cutting it out from the whole song. I will add a couple of dBs to 98 Hz, which is key of G. I'm going to add another EQ. I'm going to put it in mid-side mode. And in the side mode, I'm going to boost some high mid frequencies, around 3000 kilohertz. And then of course A and B your work, just to see if you're on the right track. I will create a fade out on the track. Also a fade in. Now that I'm satisfied, I can export the track into 16-bit WAV file. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I will see you in the next one.